So good morning, everyone. You've already wished me, so no need to wish all over again. I had asked you to select a topic for your public speech. Only one person has selected, that's Megha. So the very first thing before we move ahead with anything else is I'm in the Google Sheet. I can view how many of you are using the Google Sheet, right? The very first thing I want you to do is I want you to put out all the topics over there. So I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes of time to write down your topic, because without that we are not moving ahead with the session. And I'll only give presents to people whose topics are written. That's very simple. The moment you write your topic over there, that is then and then are we going to move ahead with the attendance part. Even if you are present throughout the lecture, I'll not mark your attendance. Right, so without any further delay of doing anything else, I'm asking you to note down your topic for your speech. Just right away do it. Right, I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes of time. I'll unmute myself and start with the instruction at 11.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you please give us one topic we can't able to
Yeah,
take?
I cannot give you a topic. What you can do is in the public speech folder there is copy of topics for public speech and topic selection for public speech, right? So I've got 100 topics over there. You can select one from that. એની પણ મેં ક્યાં ના
O-
પાડી છે. તમે બે ફોલ્ડર છે, એકમાં ખાલી ટોપિક્સ છે, 100 ટોપિક્સ આપેલા છે, 100 ટોપિક્સ. એમાંથી તો કંઈક સિલેક્ટ કરો.
okay, ma'am.
અને જે તમે સિલેક્ટ કરો ને એ તમારા નામવાળી શીટમાં આવી જવું જોઈએ. ચલો, કમ ઓન 10 મિનિટ્સ.
Okay. મેમ, તમે લિંક બંધ કરી દીધી છે?
Yes. Someone was asking something.
મેમ, તમે લિંક બંધ કરી દીધી છે એમ.
Now, beta, that link cannot be closed. It is working only. You have to use your Marwadi email. I've told you so many times. You are trying to use it with your personal email ID. Please log into your Marwadi, then and then you will be able to access it. Log into your Marwadi email.
મેડમ એમાં એમ બતાવે યુ નીડ પરમિશન.
એટલે બતાવે છે કારણ કે તમે તમારા પોતાના ઈમેલથી કરો છો. મેં તમને પહેલા જ કીધું કે તમારું નામ અને @marwadi education હશે તો જ તમે કરી શકશો. કાઇન્ડલી લોગ ઓન ટુ યોર મારવાડી ઈમેલ. તમારું સ્વિચ કરો, તમે ફોનમાંથી કરતા હશો ટ્રાય. એટલે તમારો ફોન છે એ બાય ડિફોલ્ટ તમારું પર્સનલ ઈમેલ લેશે.
મેડમ.
મેડમ મેં કરી દીધું છે તે આવી ગયું.
I'll see, I'll check. Don't worry. I'm on that page only.
મેમ ચેક કરી લેજો ને ટોપિક આવી ગયો છે કે નહીં.
Amit, આવી ગયું છે તમારું. Yours is done. See, I'll take everybody's name who's I can see. So it's Jiten, Megha, Meet, Amit, Narendra, and Rishit, and Ria. These are the people whose work is done. So we'll wait for others again for 3-4 minutes more, and then we want to move ahead with it. Okay, it's an assignment. So yes, no problem. I'm waiting. Our work કર્યા વગર will not move ahead. Okay, don't worry. Others who have completed, start thinking how you're going to start your topic.
મેમ મેં સ્વિચ કર્યું ને તોય નથી દેખાડતું, લિંક બંધ થઈ ગઈ એમ જ દેખાડે છે.
આ લિંક જેવું નથી, આ ગૂગલ ફોલ્ડર છે, બંધ થાય જ નહીં. આટલા બધા લોકો કરે છે, તમારું એકનું શું કામ બંધ થાય? How can I stop one person? Everybody is doing right away. Only Megha was the only one who did it beforehand. Otherwise, everybody else has done it from this lecture only. Do one thing. Get in touch with any one of your friends who have completed it, like Amit, Narendra, anybody from the class, and find out how they did it. Right? Please work on it. Work it out. Please start selecting the topics quickly because we need to move ahead swiftly, right? I can still see many of you have yet not done it. You are thinking about things. And those who have already selected the topic, what you may start doing is you may start working on how you will going, how are you going to arrange the information in your speech, right? So how will you start? What kind of things you want to include? I want you to think about those things because I'll be asking you right away. In a few more minutes.
Hello,
Yeah, yes, Megha.
ma'am. My speech is ready.
See, that's so good. Excellent, excellent work, Megha.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can I WhatsApp the pics of my speech to you?
Uh, yes, you may do that.
Ma'am, I don't have your number.
It should be in
The
just a minute. I'll type
can
the WhatsApp number over here.
okay. Thank you.
There you go. That's the WhatsApp number. Those who have selected the topic, start thinking about how you're going to deal with the topic.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Megha. Right, I'm waiting just few more minutes. Then I want to tell you how you have to work on things and what will we do in the next session. All right. Remember, this assignment is going to give you marks. So please think about it seriously.
Hello.
Yes, Smith. Writing on the raised website. Thank you for doing this presentation. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Yes, Megha, please.
Ma'am, will you verify my speech?
Yeah, I'm doing the same only. I'm doing it right now.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I done. She Varnan Patel.
Manan, actually, I'm getting a lot of background sound. I did not get what you are asking. You want me to check whether I have your name or your topic is selected or not, something like that? Okay, if your mic is not working, I'm so sorry, Vivek, I won't be able to give you any score in this. So make sure whenever you come for the next session, you come with all the important equipment. તમારો mic નથી ચાલી રહ્યો તો હું આમાં કંઈ કરી નહીં શકું. I'm so sorry. Next is fine, that you can do. Hello, are you presenting the screen? You can do that. Next is Bhargav. Yes, Manan, your speech અત્યારે નથી આપવાની. Please remember, we're just selecting the topics right now. Speech is to be taken in the next week sessions. But we need to work on the topics. Manan, your topic is selected. I have seen that. It's there.
હલો.
Yes, Smith.
હા મેં કીધું મેડમ કરવાનું શું છે? હું થોડોક મોડો જોઈન થયો ને મને કઈ ખબર નથી. આટલી શાંતિ કાં હે?
શાંતિ એટલે છે, you have to select a topic for public speech. I have shared a folder with you. તમારા નામની સામે તમારા ટોપિક લખવાના છે. કોઈ ટોપિક લખ્યા નથી, તો I'm giving time to write that topic.
સમજી ગયો. હાલો.
મેડમ ખાલી લખવાનું જ છે ને ત્યાં.
અત્યારે લખવાનું છે. નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ હું બતાવીશ શું કરવાનું છે. I'll work on it. Don't worry.
ઓકે.
તમે લોકોને સંભળાય છે અવાજ કઈ બોલે છે? 2-3 minutes more. I can see most of us have done it. You are still pending. Please complete the work. Yes, Aman. Yes, Aman. I'm sorry. Yes, Sanket, your public speech topic has been written. I can see it. Yes, Aman, you were asking something.
મેડમ આમાં નામ મારું આવતું નથી.
તમે સ્પીકિંગ માં જ છો ને, ડિવિઝન સી માં જ છો?
હા.
આ રહ્યું નામ ભાઈ, 19 નંબર, સિરિયલ નંબર 7149, અમન કોઠારી. બેટા બે ફાઇલ છે, જો એકમાં ખાલી ટોપિક્સ છે અને બીજી ફાઇલ છે એમાં તમારું નામ છે ને ટોપિક તમે જે સિલેક્ટ કરો ને એના માટે છે. ચેક કરો સરખું. Yes, Rushit, you were saying something. Yes, Maharshi, your topic is selected. Yes, Rutvik, your topic is also reflecting. It is selected. Great. Ram, your topic is selected. I can see that. Just 1 or 2 minutes more for topic selection, and then I want to move ahead of how you are going to do the presentation of this thing, or how you're going to make a speech out of it. All right. I hope that by the time the lecture gets over, you select the topic. Now, what you are supposed to do, as many of you are asking me, there are proactive people like Megha who have already completed not only selecting the topic but also have worked out how they will do their speech. Right, I'm really appreciating this student who has this attitude of learning and developing, and also having a time where she can send something to the teacher and the teacher can help her out. That's excellently done. Now what you are supposed to do in the next two lectures, that is next week on Tuesday and on Thursday, we are going to have our public speech. Remember, a recording is not possible. Why? You are supposed to get yourself trained in how you give a speech in public. Where will you get a public? This time we have an online platform, right? So on Tuesday and on Thursday next week, according to your enrollment number or roll number, you are supposed to give your speech. When you are giving your speech, it will work only enrollment number wise. I will not allow you to skip anybody's enrollment number. Remember, this speech is going to give you marks. This speech is going to give you marks. All right. So please be prepared. Now, how will the speech work? Again, I will tell you. We have to start with greetings. So good morning, everyone, and this is my topic, right? That you might have done in your school as well. So, but still, I'm giving you a reminder to see whether. You can call me and you can talk on a particular topic, and that way also you can submit. There's also other
Ma'am, I also need to do.
one actually. Yes, Aman. Thank you so much. 10 marks, Dhruval. This has 10 marks. That is why 3 minutes. Right? Remember, one or two paragraphs will not work for 3 minutes. The best way, which I feel, and one of the other students has also taken it without me saying, is you write down the speech and you practice it. Keep a timer with you, how much time. See, remember, I'm not strict on the time. Okay, I'm not really strict on the time. If it is less than 3 minutes, it is okay, but it should not end within 1 minute. Responding, first of all, thank you for doing. Yes. There are few things I would suggest is that there is somebody whose topic has been selected twice. It's okay if you are selecting
Excuse me,
topic
ma'am.
twice.
Ma'am, what we have to do in this sheet too?
In such a situation, one thing which I can say, two people can talk on the same topic because you'll be preparing different stuff. You don't have to talk to each other. Or better, if you want to be on the safe side, one of you changes the topic. See, I have given you a list of 100 topics so that you don't select the same topic. But then also you are so, what do I say, so well equipped that everybody wants to select the same topic. I don't know why. Who would like to do the presentation, or should I announce? Either of you decide amongst yourself, even if it is fine with this people having same topics, because your idea of the topic would be very different from the other person's idea. Right? Either you change it or it's fine. Right? All right. See, remember, this is a speech and not a reading. There is a difference in reading. When you read, you will just read line to line. Sorry. And this is good morning, everyone. This is how it is happening. This is a topic I'm going to talk about. Let me first introduce the topic. That's reading. I want you to give a speech. So, please, had it been a classroom, you would be very energetic. I should be shouting on you to keep quiet. That I'm also doing on the online platform as well for things that you do before the lecture starts. Even though the teacher is there, you announce that the teacher has come, and still there is some other talking going on. That's a different story. But I want you to do a speech. So, what is a speech? Your voice should be full of energy. You should be speaking with appropriate pauses. You know, when you're asking a question, it should look like a question and not a statement. So, what do you say? Oh, all of us understand it's quite stressful to stay at home and study online. We cannot see anybody. You know, it should sound in your voice. The elements that are there in the speech should sound in your voice. Right? I'm going to share an exciting story with you. It sounds exciting. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to share an exciting story with you about something that happened with me in the last week. See, this sounds like a very sad story. There's nothing exciting about the story. See, I'm trying to give you examples. Not necessary you have to copy what I'm doing. What I'm trying to help you with is, I don't want you to sound sad when you want to sound exciting, because it's your voice that you are going to use. Right? Your voice is going to play a major role over here. So sound excited about what you are going to say. There is a topic where you want to create suspense, right? So let me take you to a very interesting story. You know, last night when I was sleeping, I don't know, somehow I woke up. It was like very dark. And suddenly the door creaked open. And then you pause before you get. I hope you understand with the example what I'm trying to make things. Am I clear about things? See, a yes and no can help the teacher. Even if you are nodding your head, I cannot see anything. Thank you, Maharshi. Uh, Nothing has happened to me. Don't worry. I'm trying to tell you how people would be impacted with the speech that you have. A very beautiful example would be if you're listening to the radio, if you have ever listened to this station called 92.7. There you have, a beautiful narrator who narrates stories. Usually, when I drive back from my from the college to back to my home at 4:30, this show goes on. Beautiful stories he would narrate, and that person you can visualize the story. A public speech would always be successful. A public speech would always be successful if the audience listens till the end, right? Now people are asking me, what happened, madam? You were narrating something. Now that should be the feeling from the audience. What happened next? How did it work? Right? That's the entire charm of it. And remember, these people are not born with the ability. They have practiced it. And that is what we are going to do in our sessions. We're supposed to practice this. And without the public, we cannot practice. Remember? So I hope the examples have helped you out what kind of an expectation the teacher has from you when you have selected a topic and you want to work on it. Right? It should connect you, though the platform is just a computer or a mobile screen. You should be connected to your audience. The way when you listen to that person narrating a story, you are connected to the radio. The medium is only your ears, but the impact is that the person makes you visualize it. That is what makes a good public speaker. Right? You Story and speeches are different, but you may connect with people, right? uh, I'm not saying that it should be exactly like that, but something like that. And the way the person narrates, where they have a pause, where they, when they're talking, you can feel the excitement, you can feel the sadness. That is what I'm trying to say. Don't pick on the words, pick on what I'm trying to tell you, how to connect with the audience, right? Remember, why is the audience important? It is the audience who has to listen, who has to connect. You are students of a professional degree. Let's say after 3-4 years, you'll be working somewhere, you'll be designing your own products. Will you not have to talk about your product to some prospective customer? When will be the customer, when will be the customer going to buy your product? When he or she listens to you. That's step one. You have to make people listen to you. And public speech is one of the excellent methods of making people listen. I hope I am clear. That is why we might not uh, be having audio recordings, but you have to do a performance in the class itself, in the lecture itself, on Tuesday and Thursday next week. See, I'll not be taking anybody's any excuse. Right? I'll not take any excuse that, madam, I was not there, I have this problem, I have that problem. Whatever problem you have, I'm informing you 1 week ahead of time. Get your problem resolved. Get your problem resolved. We are supposed to do this activity of public speaking next week on Tuesday and Thursday. We are going to go enrollment number wise. And this public speech is going to give you 10 marks of your assignment. You have already done 5-mark assignment for introduction. So public speech, 10 marks I'm going to give you for that. All right. In case you have not selected a topic, or right now I asked you to select it and you have selected in hurry. If there is something like that, see, let's say somebody has selected a topic called music has the power to heal. All right. No, somebody is telling me that story and speech is different. Let's say you've selected this topic, music has the power to heal. What would you do? How would you start it? You can tell everybody, please don't do the same thing, but you may try it out. Everybody just close your eyes for 1 minute. All right. Everybody close your eyes for 1 minute. I assume you have closed your eyes. Now, go back to that particular time when you were in school, let's say somewhere in standard 10, and your favorite movie was released, and there was this one song that you would hum all day around. Wherever you are, even if you are singing the song on your mind, and right now when you are closing your eyes, there's a smile on your face when you remember that song. Now you open your eyes and you look at yourself in the mirror, you can still see that smile come back. That is the power of music. I hope that's interesting enough. I hope I've answered your query, Narendra. Not a story, but again, an imagination that where your audience can connect, where the audience also has some role to play. I hope now there's a lot of clarity about what I'm expecting from students. Please give it a very serious thought of how you're going to do it. You may always contact me the way Megha has. I've given you my WhatsApp number. Right? Megha has sent me the script and I found it to be excellent. And I know that she would also have excellently performed as well. Right? So come up to me with problems that you have, but don't come up on Tuesday morning that this is my problem, kindly look into it. Right? When I say you come up, it's still Monday. You can talk. Fine. So I hope I'm clear about this activity of how we are doing public speech. All right, great. Now, before we skip to the next activities, right? You're able to speak fluently. What if I can't do it that nice? So this is one thing they are afraid of. And besides, unit number 2 that we have is actually preparing a PowerPoint presentation. You might have been informed by ma'am that you have a 25-mark PowerPoint presentation. Right. So what I wish that we do is instead of I first explaining the theory and then you make your PowerPoint, what we'll do is we will make our PowerPoint alongside. So I hope you have a computer or a laptop with you. And I insist that in the lectures, I'll inform beforehand when we'll start the PowerPoint lectures. So when we start with the PowerPoint lecture, I know you are students of computer application, all right? You are better equipped than me. Right, but I suggest that you keep your laptop along. You may join the meeting with the mobile and you have a laptop on site. So alongside, you don't have to give extra time. Right? You don't have to give extra time. When I'm teaching, we can start making the PPT. We can start designing the PPT. I hope the instruction is clear. Right? We'll call it a day over here. We'll not go any further because I want you to think about what I have told for this public speech. I want you to think on how you would deliver your speech. How will you start? How will you end? Right? Remember, everybody is different. Each person is different. But each one of you are well equipped in your own way, right? So hers was better or his was better is not a case. How can you make yourself better is the case. Yes, Ronak, I'll check. After Krish, I'll take one more student. Yes, Ronak, your topic selection is done. Excellent. Still, I can see 10-15 people who have not selected. By the time I mark your attendance, right, please select the topic so that it is easier for us to work on things. Right? If the topic is there, what will happen is you will also have in your mind that, okay, I've selected the topic, I have to work on it. It's like kind of a pre-preparation for things. અચ્છા તો તમે લેપટોપમાંથી મોબાઈલમાં પીપીટી લઈ લો ને આમાં ચાલશે અને મોબાઈલમાંથી જોઈન કરો બરાબર આ પીપીટી મેઇલ કરી દો ગમે તમને regarding the PPT, you don't have to prepare anything. The entire unit number 2 of the speaking and presentation course is about presentation. right? So there is a 25 mark assignment of preparing a PPT and presenting it in the class. So I suggest that whenever I tell you, you will do it alongside. Means હું તમને અહીંયા થિયરી જ્યારે ભણાવતી હોઈશ લેક્ચરમાં ત્યારે તમારે તમારી પીપીટી સાથે સાથે પ્રિપેર કરવા માંડવાની. એનો અલગ ટાઈમ નહીં આપું કે હવે 15 દિવસનો ટાઈમ છે ને તમે કરો, કારણ કે હું સ્ટેપ 1 સ્ટેપ 2 સ્ટેપ 3 બધા સ્ટેપ્સ લેતી જઈશ. તમારી સાથે સાથે હું પણ એક ટોપિક ઉપર પીપીટી બનાવીશ. Alright, I'll make a PPT along with you. I'll share my screen. I know you are good with PowerPoint, but how can we become better is the topic over here. કઈ આઈડિયા નથી આવતો હું શું બોલું છું? વેરી ગુડ. આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 2 તમે સિલેબસ જો જોયો હોય તો યુનિટ નંબર 2 પાવર પોઈન્ટ બનાવવાની છે. સિમ્પલી એક વસ્તુ કરવાની છે તમારે. તમારી પાસે પાવર પોઈન્ટ બનાવવા માટેનું કોઈક સાધન હોવું જોઈએ. તમે મોબાઈલમાં બનાવો, તમે લેપટોપમાં બનાવો કે તમે કમ્પ્યુટરમાં બનાવો. જ્યારે હું ભણાવતી હોઉં ને ત્યારે સાથે સાથે બનાવતા જવાનું છે. હવે ક્લિયર છે ને?
મેમ આપણે યુનિટ 2 ક્યારે સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું?
નેક્સ્ટ વીક આપણો પબ્લિક સ્પીચ કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જાય પછીના વીકમાં પીપીટી સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જશે.
ઓકે મેમ, તમારી સાથે સાથે બનાવવાની ને અમારે?
હા, અમારી સાથે સાથે બનાવતા જવાની. ટોપિક તમારે તમારી રીતે વિચારી રાખવાનો છે. હું કોઈને ટોપિક્સ આપવાની નથી. ટોપિક યુ આર સપોઝ ટુ સિલેક્ટ. જેને પ્રોબ્લેમ હશે એને ઓપ્શન્સ આપીશું. આ કેમ પબ્લિક સ્પીચમાં ઓપ્શન્સ આપ્યા એવી રીતે. ઓલરાઈટ?
ઓકે મેમ.
યસ આર્ય, આઈલ ચેક.
એટલે મેમ અમારે હવે જ્યારે લેક્ચર આવે ત્યારે વિડીયો ઓન રાખીને સ્પીચ બોલવાની.
હા, એવું ઓન રાખીને કરો તો સારું. અહીંયા ઘણા બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સે આઈ ડોન્ટ નો વાય તમે લોકોએ કોકના નામ રિમૂવ કરી નાખ્યા છે. 137 અને 138 નું નામ રિમૂવ થઈ ગયું છે. Right, I am really not okay with such things. Whoever has done it, please make things as it
મેમ
is.
વિડિયો ઓન રાખવો કમ્પલસરી નથી ને?
It's not compulsory. It is not compulsory. If it is possible, we will do it. If not, then also it is fine. Done? All right.
મેમ ટાઈમ
મેમ પછી એમાં
One person at a time. Yes.
મેમ પછી વિડીયો ઓન રાખી છે ને તો છે ને નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ થઈ જાય છે, તો ઘણી વખત છે ને વોઇસ લેક થાય છે ફૂલે ફૂલ.
હા, no problem. Video on નહીં રાખીએ બસ. Done?
મેડમ
હા મેડમ, કરો મેમ.
Can I have one person at a time? 2-3 જણા સાથે બોલો છો તો સમજાણું નહીં શું કહેવા માંગો છો. Yes. ડેસ્કટોપમાં વેબકેમ નથી, ઇટ ઇઝ ઓકે. વિડિયો ઓન નથી રાખવાનો. All right, can we take the attendance now if the queries are solved?
ઓકે મેમ.
All right. So enrollment number 122.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ જીતેન.
Yeah, 124.
Present, ma'am.
127.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ.
128.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ.
129.
Present, ma'am.
130. 133. 135. 136.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ.
139.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ.
140.
Present, ma'am.
141.
Present, ma'am.
142. 143.
Present, ma'am.
144.
Present.
146.
Present, ma'am.
147.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ.
148. Dhruvir was present. All right. 149.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ.
151. 152. 153.
154 present.
Okay, 153.
Present, ma'am.
Why is Vinit answering for 153?
મેમ એ એનસીસી માં ગયો છે.
Okay.
154 present.
Okay. 156.
યસ મેમ પ્રેઝન્ટ.
157.
મેડમ પ્રેઝન્ટ છે ઈ એનસીસી માં ગયો છે.
NCC માં.
One person at a time, please. 159. Yes. 148 and 157. I make two present. 159. She was present.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Yeah, 160. 162.
Present, ma'am.
163.
Present, ma'am.
160.
163 is
Yes. 165.
present.
166.
Present, ma'am.
168. 169. 171. 172.
Present, ma'am.
173.
171 present, ma'am.
Yes. 173.
Present.
175.
Present, ma'am.
176.
પ્રેઝન્ટ મેમ.
177.
Present, ma'am.
178.
Present, ma'am.
183.
Present, ma'am.
184.
Present, ma'am.
185.
Present, ma'am.
186.
Present, ma'am.
And 189. Right, don't worry, I'll call out the absent numbers so that if you have missed it, you can tell me. Right, 130, 133, 135. And you have got 142.
Ma'am.
Yes.
53. 53 is present. Meet Nadiyapara.
Just 1 minute, I have not reached that much. 151, 152, and you got 160, 168, 169, and 189. These are the absent numbers. All right. Okay. So next time when we meet, we are going to take our public speech enrollment number wise. So it starts with 122, if I'm not mistaken.
Ma'am,
Yes.
153 present છે. મીત નડિયાપરા એનસીસી માં આવ્યો છે ને એટલા માટે ખાલી જોઈન થયો છે ને નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે.
મેડમ એને પ્રેઝન્ટ તો કર્યો, મેં એબ્સેન્ટ માં ક્યાંનું નામ લીધું તમને કીધું તો ખરા.
ઓકે ઓકે મેમ, થેન્ક યુ.
Welcome. 171, you are also present, mark present. I have done it. Right, next week when we are starting with the public speech, we are going to start enrollment number wise with 122. All right. So we call it a day over here. Thank you, class. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, everybody.
હેલો
Yes, Megha.
મેમ, એમાં શીટમાંથી છે ને કોઈ નેમ રિમૂવ નથી કર્યું, જસ્ટ ઈ બે સેલ છે ને કોકથી બ્લેન્ક થઈ ગયા, ત્યાં સ્પેસ થઈ ગઈ છે.
Oh, okay. I thought okay, blank kar nahi kuch. I'll work on
ના,
it.
બાકી સિરિયલ નંબર એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ છે, 9 પછી 10 જ આવે છે, મેં જોયું.
All right. Thank you, Megha, inform કરવા માટે. And I hope તમને videos પણ આમાં મળે છે હવે તમારા જે આપણે ઇશ્યુ હતો કે videos ક્યાં શેર થાય છે.
યા મેમ.
બે લેક્ચર્સ ના મેં અપલોડ કરેલા છે. આજનો જેવો મને આવશે એવો હું તમને અપલોડ કરી દઈશ. All right.
ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ મેમ.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Take
You
care.
too. You too. Take care. Bye.
Take care, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Same to you.
હેલો રિયા.
હા બોલ.
લાઈક તું કોઈ બીજી ગર્લ્સ ને ઓળખસ આપણા આ SPS માંથી?
SPS માંથી તો ખબર નહીં કોણ કોણ ગર્લ્સ છે, બાકી આમ ગ્રુપમાં ઓળખું છું. કેમ?
અચ્છા ઓકે, ના તો મેં જસ્ટ એટલે કીધું કે લાઈક કોઈને કઈ જોઈતી હોય હેલ્પ તો કેજે એમ આ સ્પીચ
હા
માટે.
હા હું કઈશ હાલ ને તને.
ઓકે હા, લાઈક ટોપિક
લેક્ચર
સિલેક્શન છે કે
પૂરો
કઈ બીજું
લેક્ચર.
કઈ છે
હલો
તો?
हेलो हेलो लेक्चर पूरा है कोई कैसे
એ
अधेड़ा
હા
लेक्चर
પૂરો
पूरा.
મીત
ओके ओके थैंक यू मैं क्या
વેલકમ.
लीव થઈ જાય.
અને લાઈક બોયઝ માંથી બી કોઈને કઈ હેલ્પ જોઈતી હોય તો કોઈ કેજો.
મેઘા એવું હશે તો મને કોઈ કહેશે તો હું તને કઈશ, ઇન્ફોર્મ કરીશ.
ઓકે હા.